In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip data upside down in Excel. Sometimes you have a list in Excel that's in the wrong order, and you want the last item to become the first, and the first item to become the last. In other words, you want to completely reverse the order of your data from top to bottom. Excel doesn't have a single flip button for this, but there's a very simple way to do it using a helper column and the sort feature. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your Excel file and go to the worksheet that contains the data you want to flip. Make sure your data is in a clear continuous column or table, without completely blank rows in the middle. It can be a single column or multiple columns side by side, like a small table. The method will work for all of them together as long as they're in one block. Next, we'll add a helper column that will let us reverse the order. To do this, go to the empty column directly next to your data, usually on the left or right. In the first cell of that column, on the same row as your first data entry, type the number 1. Then, in the cell directly below it, type the number 2. Now select both of these numbered cells together. Move your mouse to the bottom right corner of the selection until you see the small fill handle, which looks like a tiny square. Click and drag that handle down alongside your data until you reach the last row of your list. Excel will automatically continue the numbering. 3, 4, 5, and so on, all the way down. You've just created a simple sequence that matches the current order of your data. The trick to flipping the data is to sort this helper column in reverse. Start by selecting the entire range of your data, including the new helper column, then go to the Data tab on the ribbon and look for the sort options. Choose the sort command, and when the dialog box appears, make sure you select your helper column as the column to sort by. Then choose to sort it in descending order, usually labeled largest to smallest. When you apply this sort, Excel rearranges all the rows so that the row that was originally at the bottom moves to the top, and the row that was originally at the top moves to the bottom. In other words, your data is now flipped upside down. Once you're happy with the reversed order, you can safely delete the helper column if you don't need it anymore. Your data will stay in the flipped position.